Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and good day everyone. I am Nurhataji Samad, and this time we're gonna discuss the benefit cost ratio. First, what is benefit cost ratio? The benefit cost ratio is indicate the relationship between the cost and benefit of project or investment. For analysis, as it's shown with the percent value of benefit expected by divided by percent value of a cost, which help to determine the availability and value that can be derived from investment or project. So, as you can see, the VCR or benefit cost ratio is an indicator that is typically beginner using with its cost benefit analysis. So, in the project, the benefit cost ratio can support the cost benefit analysis or a business case. So, VCR are comparing the percent value of all benefit with that gross an investment or project. So, this benefit and cost are treated as a modifier cash flow or their equivalent. So, for example, for non-monitoring our benefit or company internal cost, so meaning it depends on the value it is indicating. Our next is how benefit cost ratio or VCR works. So VCR or benefit cost ratio are most often used in capital budgeting to analyze the all value for money of undertaking for a new project. So the VCR is calculated by dividing the proposed total cost benefit of a project by the proposed total cost of the project. So prior to dividing the numbers, the net percent value of the effective cash flow over the proposed lifetime. So our next one is step to calculate benefit cost ratio or VCR. So this step is to show how to use or how to calculate the VCR or benefit cost ratio. First step is calculate the percent value of the benefit expected from the project. The procedure to determine the percent value is the amount for each year equal cash flow times PV factor. Aggregate the amount for all the years. Step 2 is calculate the percent value of cost if the costs are incurred upfront. The cost incurred is the present value of the expenses as there is no present value factor. Step 3 is calculate the benefit cost ratio using the formula VCR formula, percent value of benefit expected from the project divide percent value of the cost of the project. So this one is the formula of benefit cost ratio or VCR. So benefit cost ratio is equal to percent value of expected benefit divided by the percent value expected. Take note that this formula is both percent values need to be inserted with their absolute negative amount. So if you have consistently used negative cash flow or either the cost or the benefit side, so your result will be negative. You will need to multiply it with -1. So this is the example of benefit cost ratio or VCR. So example number 1, EFG is working upon the renovation of its factory in the upcoming year, and for they expected an outflow of $50,000 immediately, and they expect the benefit out of the same for $25,000 for the next 3 years. So the inflation rate that is currently prevailing is 3%. You are required to assess whether the decision to renovate will be profitable by using a VCR or benefit cost ratio. So this is the solution. To do the cost-benefit analysis, first, we need to using both code and benefit today's value. So since the outflow of $50 is immediately and would remain the same, so since the gains are in future value, we need to discount them back by using discounted rate of 3%. So therefore, the benefit cost ratio can be calculated as using the below formula as the calculating VCR, or is equal to percent value of benefit expected from the project percent value of the cost of the project for easy quality is equal to 70,715.78 divided by 500,000. So the VCR of this example number 1 is 1.41. Since the benefit cost ratio is greater than 1, so the renovation decision appears to be beneficial.